Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to email a 4K image to the recipient on Microsoft Outlook in the year 2026 using a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in the tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Microsoft Office 365, and an image that was exported in 4K resolution. We can start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go around to the dock, go to Launchpad, then go to the alternative web browser, which is Google Chrome. Click on this. Wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, now let's go to Microsoft Outlook and then make sure that you are signed into the account. Wait for that to load. Now let's go to compile a brand new email. Increase the size of the email window. Let's now move desktop. Go all the way down to the dock, go to Finder, then go to my YouTube channel. Let's go to the 4K folder, locate that 4K image with a resolution of 3840 by 2160. Highlight, right click, and then copy. Move that to the desktop by pasting the item. There is the image. Let's now go back to the email and compile a brand new email to the recipient right here at ComputerScienceVideos.com. Add a subject, 4K image. Let's go into the email and type Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached 4K image. Kind regards, admin. Let's now go to insert. Attach file, browse this computer. This should take us directly to the desktop. If not, click on desktop. 4K image.png, click on open. How do you want to share this file? We can either upload it and share as a OneDrive link, or attach as a copy, or insert picture. Let's now click on attach as a copy. As this was a very large file, let's just say 12 MB in size, it's taking some time to upload. Once that is uploaded, we will click on send. And here we have the 4K resolution image itself. Let's now quit that. Let's now click on send. Let's now go to sent items. And here we have it, Dear CSV. I hope that this email finds you well. Please see the attached 4K image. Kind regards. Click on the image itself. And there is the image itself, which we can, if we need to, download the image. Click on the image to open up that image that was attached, now re-downloaded to the Mac computer. Let's now quit preview. And then let's now quit Google Chrome. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys on my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.